So I hit enter, and boom, the oscilloscope captures the information. And it has already also decoded it for us. So you can see that to send the character G, it was high for the ideal state. It came down to 0 to indicate the start of a transmission. And what do we have here? It has to transmit 1, 1, 1. So high, high, high. So it stays high for 3 clock cycles. Okay? And then it has to come down to transmit 3 zeros. So 0, 0, 0. It stays down for 3 clock cycles. And then it has to transmit 1. So it goes up